how to enable keep inventory in Minecraft. So let's say you're sick of dying and losing all your stuff. So there's a way to basically enable this so that when you die, you can still keep all of your items. So I'm just going to switch to survival mode. And as you can see, you just need to make sure that commands are turned on. And to do that, just click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that the allow command is turned on. Now once it's done, just click on T on your keyboard, then just type in /game rule, then keep inventory, then type in true. Once it's done, just click on enter, and now game rule keep inventory is now set to true. Now I'm just going to try to die and show you guys that this will work. I'm just going to basically drown myself right here and wait. I'm just going to wait for it and I'll get back to you guys. Now as you can see here, I'm almost going to die, and I'm going to show you guys that I can keep the inventory when I respawn. As you can see, I still have my items, and that's how I basically keep your inventory in Minecraft.